Hi, everyone. The purpose of this brief video is to show you how to put your RSI form, once it's completed, into your Canvas course. You have three options for your form. You can do a fillable PDF or a Word doc or a Google Doc, okay? So if you decide to do one of the first two options, those are files. So if you've chosen files, the very first thing you're going to want to do is to go to Files and upload your file. And I have created this RSI folder. I'm going to open it up. You don't have to create a folder if you don't want to, but if it makes it easier for you, you can. I am going to then upload my document, which is my English RSI form. And I'm going to open it here and it will upload. All right, so it's here and ready to go. So now I'm going to go back to modules and I am going to create a module just for the ACC JC evaluators. The thing that's important here for you to understand is that this module should be at the top. It should be unpublished so students don't see it. And it should include a single page here with information that is found in our Canvas course, our RSI Canvas course. So I'm going to click on module. I'm going to give it a name. And it is going to be the ACC JC Evaluator Regular and Substantive Interaction, just like it's called here. I'm not going to add this module, but if I were, I would add this module. It will be located at the bottom. You just need to bring it to the top. Okay, so now you also need to add a page, create a page. We have the page here already. It will be published. And again, the wording is going to be in our Canvas course. It's a very simple message here because the ACC-JC evaluators are coming in to check your form if they're trying to find what they are looking for. So I have my little message here, the greetings and invitation, and I am going to highlight the phrase RSI self-assessment form. If I have used a Google Doc, I'm going to go to that Google Doc and I'm going to share the link. Now notice this link says private only to me. You need to make sure that it's not restricted so that anyone with the link can view it. You'll see that little world icon there. You'll copy that link and then we are going to put it into our page here, and it's an external link. So I'm going to click on external link. You can go here with the link icon. You can also go to insert, which has the link as well. So since I'm here, I'll do this. I'm going to paste it here and it's done. I am going to then save and I'm going to double check that I have properly linked it in. So I'm going to open it up and double check. Yes, it is the one for my English 230B. It's here. I have filled it out. It's the right document. Okay, so let's do the same thing for if you have a file. It's a very similar process. I'm going to get rid of the link here. I'm going to go click on it. I'm going to click on remove link, but I'm going to keep this highlighted. I'm going to go back to insert. This time I'll use this insert and I'm going to go to a course link here. And at the very top, there's a choice between links and files. It is a file. So I'm going to go to the file. I'm going to look for my course file. I'm going to see if I can find it in a search. Let's see if we can find it. And if not, I know that I have it in my course files. And here we go. I have it here. I also have it in a different file as well, my files. And I can find it with my RSI file. Here we go, the RSI file folder. Here we go. So I have that there. I have uploaded it a couple of times just for examples. So anyway, I have my file here. And again, we're going to do the same thing. It looks the same as the link. I'm going to click on save. And I'm going to double check that it is the form that I uploaded. And I see that it is. And so I am set. So you are going to do this process for every single course that you teach online. You can do what I do. I like to import this module and page from class to class, and I will show you how to do that as well. You can go to settings. Let's say you're in a different class. I did it for this class here, and you can click on import course content. I'll show you what I did. And so you do it one time and then you bring it to the next class and then you make sure you've linked the proper document. So I'm going to copy a Canvas course. I am going to include completed courses, but not all content. I want to select the content and I am going to put English 230B. Okay. And it does come up. I'm going to look at my 2025 because that's the class I put it in. So you want to make sure you're finding the class you actually put it in. And then I'm going to add it to the import queue and select the content. And I have a specific module, which is this ACCJC evaluator. And then I'm going to make sure I have my page, which is the ACCJC page right here. And then I will select that content. Okay, I already did it, so I'm not going to do it again, but I would select that content every single time and then change the link to the page. If you need further support with this, please go ahead and contact any member of our DE team. Thank you very much.